So you need to cut a hole in tile. Well, why would you need to do that? Unless you have to hang a shower head, put plumbing pipes through, or any reason to get through it. Hi, my name is Xavier. I like to help people with their projects, to do it themselves, and save money. There's nothing worse than having a project that's kind of small and nobody wants to do it. Or they will, but it'll cost you. Anyway, that's my mission, to empower you to professionally fix, renovate, or DIY. So let's get started.
Let's not do that again.
Well, if you have a tile, grab your tile. This is what we're going to do. We're going to measure with a tape measure. See that? Where we need to put that hole through. So I'm going to just choose some numbers like 5 inches this way and 5 inches that way. We're going to make an X. See that? Now, this is also important. Choose the diameter of your hole. And draw your circle. That wasn't supposed to happen. See our circle? There you go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have the same measurement on the other side of the tile, but we're going to make our circle a little bit larger. Now, here's our weapon of choice. It's an angle grinder, and I've attached a diamond grit wheel. You can get these diamond blades at the store for like $10 or $15. Not the angle grinder. That, if you don't have, just borrow it from your neighbor. Trust me, you will love how easy this is. Now, we're going to start on the back side of our tile. Using our angle grinder, always use the correct safety measures. Goggles, mask, whatever you need. All right, so we're going to start cutting into our X. I'm making a tiny incision, shoe fly. All right, now I'm going to flip it over, and we're going to do the other side of the X. See that? This way we can verify that we're spot on. Now, the next thing we're going to do, right after that, is grind. There's nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I've been waiting to say that. So anyway, take your angle grinder and start grinding the back. But we don't want you to grind too far in. We just want you to get this a little thinner. See that? That's how you want it to look. Now, turn it on the other side. And inside our circle, we're going to grind that area out. Take your time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But it's a quick marathon. Like a 3-mile marathon. So here's the cheat. Use your angle grinder with the diamond blade. And the trick is take your time. These little edges, you can pick them out with pliers or a tool. And you're good. That will just get filled in with mortar. Do me a favor, my channel is new. I'm not a possessive person, but I want to keep you. So please hit subscribe, and if you like my humorous teaching style, then you will love my Instagram page. Lastly, if you personally have a problem or dilemma on your project that you need some help with, go to my website. The links are in the description.